Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to get into a little project on the Raptor. I haven't done much with the Raptor. It's been kind of just sitting idle, stock, whatever you want to call it. A lot of guys have told me not to mess with it, but that thing being over 100,000 miles, things are starting to fall apart. You know what that means for a DIY guy like me. That means time to upgrade. So what we're going to do is, let me take you over here, is we're going to actually put on a bumper that I got from a junkyard. It doesn't say what brand it is. I think it does. But the thing is if it's what I think it is, it's super expensive, and I got it for like 200 bucks. So it's kind of a steal. Plus, I think it looks badass anyway. So even if I paid for what it cost, and I guarantee you, I wouldn't pay for what it costs because that thing is way heavy duty. You know what? Let's just jump in. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys. So this is it right here. I think this is the brand right here. Says Shelby, but I don't know. From afar, it looks like a company called ADD or Addictive Desert Designs. It looks just like it, to be honest with you. But look at that thing. That thing looks like a beast. And on there, it's going to look like even more of a beast. I can barely talk. I'm that excited. So yeah, this thing's pretty heavy duty. It's got some killer welds on it. It looks a little rough just on the paint wise, but overall it doesn't look like it's been any accents or anything. I think that's what this thing's meant for. It's got some mean tubing. Yeah, baby. It looks like it's got some mean tubing on it. So yeah, this thing's built to take an ass beating. So that's a wrong choice of words. It looks like it's meant to take a beating. So that's what we're going to jump in today. Like I said, for the relatively stock Raptor right now, it's going to get a little upgrade today. So, all right, guys, I'm excited. Let's jump into it.
Def Beats Production.
So that's the old bumper right there. You can see where you take off some of the back brackets, and then you could probably see it, but down there you got to reuse that bracket right there. It came off the old bumper. And then the big reveal. It's dirty, but what do you think, Major? Looks pretty cool. He was trying to help me. He's getting it. But it looks pretty cool. Just a little dirty. And also, you got to remember, watch, I'll show you guys real quick too. The hood release, I thought I was going to have to do something custom, but that just goes to show you when you go and spend, you know, $2,500 on a bumper, they got all that that stuff figured out, dude. So that's why I didn't come with an extra bracket, because you basically just bolt back on your hood release right there. So this is all factory stuff anyways. Just you got to take this off to get the final top piece of this hood off, or this hood of this bumper off right here, and then you just go back and bolt it back on because it kind of slides in here and then like squeezes it together. So, but pretty easy. Just make sure, you know, you put something underneath to kind of keep it held up, or get a buddy or something like that. But man, pretty successful. I probably should have cleaned it up and spray painted it again, but since how easy it was to take off, I probably will. I'll just take off the 2 bolts, or 4 bolts. That's all I got to do. And then the 2 for the skid plate. I can repaint it anytime, but I just got anxious. I want to see what it looked like on. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. That's right, baby. Take us out.